Hey guys, in this video, I want to talk about the importance of having a professional business email address and how to set one up. First off, if you don't know what I mean by professional business email address, let me give you an example. Let's say you own the domain name or your online store is called KevinPrincetonTshirts.com and you want to create a business email address such as support@KevinPrincetonTshirts.com. That would be a professional email address. Why do you need a professional email address? Because oftentimes, you're going to be sending emails to your customers, whether it be because of customer service issues or because you're sending out big email blasts to all of your subscribers, providing them a holiday discount code or some kind of promotion. It's always good to have a professional email address because when they see that you have a professional email address, they're going to know you're a legitimate business and they're going to be more likely to trust your business and purchase from your business, right? As opposed to reaching out to your customers with a Gmail address, right? Which you don't want to do. And while there's a lot of different platforms you can create a professional business email address with, I would say the most standard, the most popular is using Google Workspace. It used to be called G Suite, but now it's called Google Workspace. And the reason I recommend Google Workspace is because when you sign up for it, not only will you be able to create a professional email address, but you will also get access to all of its products. So for example, you'll get access to Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Sheets, Google Chat. These are basically all of the different cloud-based functionalities that Google Workspace provides you. And it's going to be really helpful because in the future, when your team grows, maybe you add one or two more team members to your company, it's going to be really good to have some kind of cloud-based technology so that you can work on products and on documents and on spreadsheets all at the same time online. All on your cloud kind of server. I also recommend Google Workspace because one, it's Google, which is a huge company everyone knows, and number two, when you sign up for, when you create a business email address using Google Workspace, and you use your email to answer incoming emails from customers and things like that, you're going to be using the Gmail platform. And if you're like me, you probably already use Gmail, so everything's going to be very, very familiar and very seamless, so easy to use and user-friendly. Last thing I wanted to add is before you can create a business email address, you have to already own the domain name that you want to create an address for. So for example, if I want to create an email address support@KevinPrincetonTshirts.com, I need to already own the domain name KevinPrincetonTshirts.com. All right. Do not try to create a business email address without already owning the domain name. Okay. And there should have been a previous video where I taught you how to purchase a domain name. There's a lot of places you can purchase it, but I generally purchase my domain names at GoDaddy.com, but you can really purchase it anywhere. But the point is you have to own it before you can create an email for it. That sounds kind of obvious, but I know some people may not know that. And as far as pricing, really, you can use any of these. The only differences among them is really the amount of space you're going to have on your Google Drive. But if you're really only purchasing this so you can have a professional email address, then I would just use, the lowest one, which is $6 a month, which is not very expensive. And that is pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video.